Have you ever stopped to consider the variety of wildlife that might be sharing your city with you? It's a surprising reality, but our concrete jungles are teeming with life. Urban wildlife is not a paradox, but a fascinating prevalence. Nature finds a way, even amid skyscrapers and subway lines. Birds of all shapes and sizes, from pigeons to peregrine falcons, flit between buildings and nest on ledges. Insects, often overlooked, play vital roles in our city ecosystems. And when the sun sets, a different set of characters emerge. Foxes, known for their cunning, navigate the labyrinth of city streets with ease. Raccoons, those masked bandits of the night, forage in our leftovers. These creatures and many others have adapted to city living, finding pockets of wilderness in the most unexpected places. So the next time you walk down a bustling city street, remember, you are never as alone as you might think. The city of Chicago serves as a prime example of this urban wilderness. Nestled amid skyscrapers and city streets, a surprising population thrives. The coyotes of Chicago. These cunning creatures, typically associated with more rural environments, have found a way to adapt and survive within the city's urban sprawl. It's a remarkable feat considering the challenges they face. The natural habitats of these canines are far removed from the concrete jungles they now call home. But the coyotes, in their unique resilience, have turned the city into their playground, finding food and shelter in the most unexpected places. They've been spotted prowling around backyards, navigating alleyways, and even crossing busy streets with a surprising level of street smarts. Their diet has evolved too, shifting from smaller mammals and birds in the countryside to more accessible urban fare. They feast on rodents, fallen fruit, and yes, even the occasional leftovers from our trash bins. The adaptability of these coyotes is a testament to their survival instincts. They've learned to live in the shadows, avoiding human contact while sharing the same space. To some, their presence might be disconcerting, but from a broader perspective, it's a fascinating illustration of how nature, in its relentless pursuit of survival, can adapt to even the most urban of environments. The coyotes of Chicago demonstrate that even the most unlikely species can find a home in a city. Across the pond in London, another unlikely species has taken roost. In the midst of grey skies and the iconic red double-decker buses, a burst of vibrant green can often be spotted. These flashes of color belong to none other than the wild parakeets, a species one wouldn't typically associate with the English capital. With their flamboyant plumage and raucous calls, these birds have become a common sight, especially in the city's leafy parks. So how did these tropical birds come to call London their home? The answer to that is shrouded in urban myth and mystery. Some suggest that the parakeets escaped from a film set during the 60s. Others believe that they were released during the Great Storm of 1987. While the true origin may be lost in time, what we know for sure is that these birds have adapted surprisingly well to their city environment. Despite the colder climate, parakeets have thrived, finding plenty of food and nesting sites in London's parks and gardens. They've embraced the hustle and bustle of city life, their loud squawks competing with the constant noise of the city. In a way, they've become a symbol of London's urban wilderness, a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. In a city steeped in history and tradition, the parakeets have added a touch of the unexpected, a dash of the exotic. These parakeets add a touch of the exotic to London's urban wilderness. Urban wildlife does more than just provide a surprise encounter on a city walk. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of our urban ecosystems. Let's dive into some of the benefits of sharing our cities with these fellow dwellers. Firstly, urban wildlife contributes significantly to biodiversity. Each city is a unique ecosystem teeming with a variety of animals and plants. This biodiversity is not just fascinating, it's also essential for a healthy environment. The more diverse an ecosystem is, the more resilient it becomes, able to withstand and recover from various challenges. Secondly, urban wildlife often acts as natural pest control. From birds that feast on pesky insects to foxes that keep rodent populations in check, these creatures help to maintain a balance. Without them, we could find our cities overrun with less welcome critters. But the benefits of urban wildlife extend beyond the ecological. There's a growing body of research that suggests connecting with nature, even in an urban setting, can have profound effects on our mental health. The sight of a squirrel scampering across a park, the sound of birdsong in the early morning, the serenity of a pond teeming with ducks and turtles. These experiences can provide moments of calm and joy in our hectic city lives. They remind us of our connection to the larger web of life, offering a sense of perspective and tranquility. Yet, for urban wildlife to thrive, we need to create and maintain green spaces within our cities. Parks, community gardens, green roofs, and even tree-lined streets provide crucial habitats for a wide range of species. They offer food, shelter, and breeding grounds for urban wildlife, while also improving air quality, reducing noise pollution, and enhancing the beauty of our urban landscapes. The presence of wildlife in our cities enriches our lives, contributing to a healthier, happier urban environment. So the next time you spot a fox darting down an alleyway or a hawk circling above, take a moment to appreciate these urban neighbors and the vital roles they play. Our cities are not just concrete jungles, but living, breathing ecosystems. These urban ecosystems are vital to our existence, a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. They are home to a fascinating array of wildlife that, against all odds, have found ways to thrive amidst the hustle and bustle. The existence of urban wilderness serves as a poignant reminder of our deep-rooted connection to the natural world. Amid towering buildings and endless pavement, the sight of a squirrel darting around or the sound of a bird's song can provide a much-needed respite, a moment of tranquility in the urban chaos. But it's not just about the aesthetic or emotional benefits. Urban wilderness plays a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity, regulating our climate, and improving air quality. It's a call to action for us to conserve these spaces, to create more green pockets in our cities. Living in harmony with urban wildlife, we can create cities that are not just homes for us, but for a myriad of species, a testament to the resilience of nature.